Hi there, Sage here from Double, and today we're going to dive into the close page. If you find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below or reach out to us using the purple widget in the bottom right corner of your Double account. And lastly, check out the description of this video for helpful links and resources covering today's topic. Let's double down. You can think of the close page as your general ledger integrated checklist. To get there, click any of your clients' names from the list. This is where you'll do the bulk of your work, completing tasks, reviewing and updating transactions from QuickBooks or Xero, chatting with clients, collaborating with your team, and keeping track of notes and files. In the top left corner, you'll see the home icon, which takes you back to the client list or main dashboard, as well as a drop-down to toggle between many of our other features. Next to that is the client drop-down, which allows you to switch between clients without needing to return to the client list. Then there's the close drop-down, where you can update the status and due date of the close, switch to a different month, or create a new one. Every month, Double will prompt you to open the next close if you haven't already done so. We highly recommend doing this each month, as it refreshes your tasks and pulls the most current 12 months of data leading up to that month. It's perfectly fine to create a new close page, even if the last one isn't 100% complete, and you can work on multiple closes simultaneously, and this won't affect your ability to see outstanding client communication or tasks. We're going to skip over the client portal section for now and focus on the other major part of the close page, your tasks. The close page is built to match the flow of a typical month-end close. It comes pre-built with task sections and suggested steps, but you can fully customize it to match your own workflow. Delete the tasks you don't use and add new ones as needed, and create custom workflows for each client that carry over from month to month. We strongly recommend assigning due dates and team members to each task, even if you're the only user in your account. Now, there are two main types of tasks in Double that we'll cover today. The first are custom tasks, which are shown at the top, and the second are closing tasks, which are shown beneath. Closing tasks automatically roll forward every month, whereas custom tasks only roll forward when you set them to repeat on a specific frequency. They will be at the top of your close page every month, no matter what. Starting with the closing tasks, like I just mentioned, these represent your core month-end workflows. They repeat each month by default whenever you create a new close, so your checklist is always ready. They're broken out into a few key sections, starting with the pre-close. This is your preliminary work, tasks such as processing bank feeds, posting sales or journal entries, essentially everything you do to kick off the month-end close process related to data entry. Next, we have account reconciliations. Double automatically pulls in your connected bank and credit card accounts, and the columns display the last reconciled transaction date and the balance as of month end, so you know exactly what still needs attention. Once you've done the work in QBO and Xero first, go ahead and mark them off as complete in Double. Again, once you've done the work in QBO and Xero first, make sure to mark them off in Double afterwards. Now, you might see an old account or two added here. Feel free to delete those by clicking on the account name and then the delete button. You can also add any loan accounts or due-to-froms in the bottom left corner. Any accounts you delete or add will stick, moving forward each month. The final three sections are the transaction review, pay entity review, and final review, which make up your month-end review process. Double includes built-in reports that highlight inconsistencies or potential issues in your client's books, like transactions without payees, expense inconsistencies, uncategorized transactions, and much more. This is where you'll flag issues, send client questions, and finalize your review. Once everything looks good, you can review the P&L, balance sheet, and other reports in the final review section and send out month-end reports directly from Double by clicking the reporting button in the top left corner. Before we switch gears and dive into custom tasks, let's briefly review assigning team members and due dates to tasks. Like I mentioned earlier, the beauty of Double's closing tasks is that they automatically repeat for you month over month. You can remove the tasks you don't find relevant and add additional client-specific ones as needed. It's essential from the start to assign due dates and assignees to each task, ensuring you always know who's working on what. This also enables Double to help you stay organized with your task list and send out appropriate email notifications for all upcoming work, something you can learn more about in the description of this video. For example, if we click into the pre-close section, we can assign a due date by clicking the calendar icon on the right-hand side. Then we can assign the task to a team member by clicking the profile image. Once the task is complete, mark it off either by clicking the circle button on the left-hand side of the task or by toggling the task status on the right-hand side to done. A big time-saving trick is to bulk assign due dates and team members to tasks. So let's take the account reconciliation section for example. By clicking on the three dots in the top right corner of this section, you can easily bulk update tasks. Again, once you've completed a task, do not forget to mark it off as complete using the circle button or the task status dropdown. Go ahead and pause this video now and take a quick moment to assign due dates and team members to one of your client's close pages manually or in bulk, like I just showed you. I'll be right here when you're done. Next are your custom tasks, which cover anything outside the usual month-end work. Unlike closing tasks, which are tied to each closing period, these tasks remain accessible at the top regardless of which closing period you're on. They can be one-time or recurring, whatever fits your needs, really. Some examples include one-time cleanup or onboarding tasks, bi-weekly or semi-monthly payroll, quarterly sales reports, annual review items, or anything else that doesn't follow your regular monthly flow. Click Add Task, select the due date, and recurrence. Assign it to the correct person, and add a tag if you'd like to further organize it. Here you can see I'm creating an example for bi-weekly payroll and setting the appropriate frequency. Once I mark this task as complete, Double will instantly create the next one for me. Custom tasks are organized into three sections based on due dates: due soon, within 7 days, due later, more than 7 days away, and completed. If you'd like to learn more about adding additional task sections or tags in your practice settings under the section manager, check out the description of this video for some helpful links. That's where we're going to call it for today. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below or reach out to us using the purple widget in the bottom right corner of your Double account. Lastly, check out the description of this video for helpful links and resources covering today's topic. See you guys in the next one.